Southern Union County in northeastern New Jersey, Queens County in southeastern New York, Richmond County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Western Suffolk County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, New York Manhattan County in southeastern New York, Nassau County in southeastern New York, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Edison to near Highlands to 21 miles east of Manhattan, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Jersey City and beyond around 6:50 p.m. Flatbush and Crown Heights around 6:55 p.m. Flushing and Rockaway Beach around 7 p.m. Jamaica and Valley Stream around 7:05 p.m. Freeport and Garden City around 7:10 p.m. Levittown and Plainview around 7:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following county: Union, New Jersey. National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Morris County in northern New Jersey, east central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 10:30 p.m. At 6:34 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. 1 to 2 inches of rain has already fallen in a short amount of time, with more rain coming. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly in the areas of heaviest rain. Some locations that could experience flooding include New Brunswick, Port Amboy, Morristown, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Carteret, Madison, Middlesex, Florham Park, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Boundbrook, and Manville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal and outer waters from Sandy Hook to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:38 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles southeast of Monmouth Beach to near Axel Carlson Reef to near Harvey Cedars, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Seagort Reef, Ship Bottom, Atlantic Highlands, Barnma, Getlight Reef, Monmouth Beach, Sea Bright, Axel Carlson Reef, Harvey Cedars, Forth River, La Valette, Barnma, Getlight, Garden State North Reef, Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Belmar, Seaside Park, Mena, Swan Inlet, Sandy Hook Reef, Fair Haven, and Pine Beach.